Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Today we're going to draw the one and only Garfield in what will be the first in a series of character turnaround challenges. What's a character turnaround? Well, it's a series of drawings of a character from different angles. In a sense, you create a model sheet of that character. We'll start with a front view of Garfield. Then we'll extend some guidelines across the page, which we'll use to help position Garfield's various features in different angles. What made drawing a turnaround of Garfield so tricky was the fact that I could not find any examples of him in profile, nor did I find a drawing of him from behind. So in both cases, I'm kind of winging it, which is what makes it so fun. Anyways, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Alright, so let's draw our character turnaround of Garfield. We're going to draw a Garfield turnaround step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this drawing, Garfield is 3 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is 3 of those. Alright, so let's start with that roadmap for our turnaround of Garfield. So there's a roadmap of our Garfield turnaround. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put Garfield's eyes, ears, nose, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's rough out the features of our Garfield turnaround. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Garfield. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw the final details of our Garfield turnaround. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details of our Garfield turnaround. Alrighty, there it is, our Garfield Turnaround Challenge. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Garfield before, let alone a turnaround of him, you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly then. You notice I don't spend time coloring him during this video because I want my lessons to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing the turnaround of Garfield. With that, you can draw him again and again, and by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step and what I call the level up cartooning process. So now I'd love to see your turnaround drawing of Garfield. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun with this challenge as I did. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.